Hi everyone, welcome to my universe, to the massive truth. Wherever you're watching me from around the world, I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May He open that beautiful side of yours to make you see and understand from my own point of view. Today I want to talk about something where I don't first talk about Mr. Sowore, Nigeria presidential aspirant. I don't talk about for like maybe 4 or 5 months now. I don't like to like repeat one, two things often and often. I see say time don't reach where my brothers and sisters for Africa want to cast their votes now. Now I say make I talk again, and because of what I see for social media, because of one lady, this very lady will make video about this my brother Mr. Sowore. Now I won't talk about, I believe say that video where she make not to bring Mr. Sowore down, and I'm very happy say many of my generation don't wake up, even generation before my generation don't wake up. You can fool some people, you can't fool everybody at the same time. So now because of this video, now make me want to talk about Mr. Sowore again. Please pardon me for the English why they use. My my politicians not make me go school. My politicians not make me they speak all this shwing. So the ones where I pick for area, the one I pick for streets, now they drop one for my platform. Please do understand and bear with me. I pray may the good Lord just make you summon this good side inside you to see from my own point of view. I know they talk say I know I'm all, I keep it, I did continuously they talk and say I don't know I'm all. I just they want talk from my own experience, from my own point of view, from my own way of viewing things. Please do understand and don't take it personal. This my beautiful lady talk about Mr. Sowore, say in give report some girls where they rape, in give make you run so may not be like say I want put word into her mouth. Now one name like that, this very woman, pardon me, I not fit pronounce her name. This one are her name. So she talk about many things. Might put the video so that make my brothers and sisters see them. I know say many people don't see them, but I just want you to see from my own angle. I want you to see and picture from where I from the see things, so that you can like they feed with me, you can understand me. Please do bear with me. I will be back.
So I just watched this debate. Omoyele Sowore, young man, everybody's aspiration to become Nigerian president, because we feel, or those people who have not encountered you feel, yes, you are the voice of the masses and all of that. But my simple question is, I have constantly lashed and say that you cannot rule this country. Because sometimes when you don't come close to people, or you don't have an encounter with people, you basically don't know who they are. You are an activist, yes. You sell corruption for a living, yes. You tend to expose people who are corrupt for a living, yes. Everybody knows that Nigeria is corrupt. Nigerians are corrupt in every form. But when people see you as a voice they can speak through, and they run to you, and then out of the blues, you select the kind of corruption you want to fight. You select the kind of expose that you want to do. Omoyele Sowore, you are talking about sending 13 million children to school. Where are over 600 children behind Dr. Osho's house in Okpebi? Where are they? You had the opportunity to expose them. You had the opportunity to bring them out for people who would help give them a good education, who would give them the proper education, for the government to see that they have loopholes and vacuums to fill. Omoyele Sowore, my name is Adetoun Onajobi. Where are those video clips? Omoyele Sowore, You are talking of infant mortality. What do you understand by infant mortality? I am asking you, and I am challenging you to a public debate. What idea do you have about infant mortality in Nigeria? I don't care about those who are there right now. Our voices will straighten their asses up. When everybody begins to speak, we will know that everybody will now know that, yes, we need to sit up. But for somebody like you, who could not save a dying community, where is the video clip of the girls who are being raped on daily basis behind Adebola House? These girls live as if they live in a remote area. These girls sleep on leaves. These girls come out daily to pick up cartons of gala to sell. These girls are raped. You have the video clips. Where are they? Omoyele Sowore, you are talking about sending 30 million children to school. Where is the video clip of the children that we called you? We wanted to help them. We wanted people to know that children are dying in Lagos State. We wanted people to know that Lagos State is not the face that they are seeing. We wanted people to know that there's a double face in Lagos. Yele, where is the video clip? Now you come out. You want to rule Nigeria. I dare you. You will not govern this country. It is not possible. Or the madam, or the edidi, or the ashe. So somebody like you can come out of the blues because people see you as an activist. That is what you use to feed your children. You have no sense of humanity in you. You have no spirit of humanity in you. You will dread Nigerians if you become president. But the problem is, we people are desperate for change. We want change. We want change. So when people like you come out at this point in time, we have the thinking or the thought or the feeling or the sensation that our Messiah have arrived. Excuse me. Look at these two eyes very well. Yele, I know you far more than you know yourself. People like us, you cannot do anything. You have betrayed us 4 years ago when we thought you could help us. When we thought we could not speak. So forget about you ruling Nigeria. Omoyele Sowore, it is not possible. Signed, sealed, and I am telling you, because the God that we serve will not allow us to fall in the hands of people who don't genuinely have our interest at heart. If you want to rule this country, bring out those video clips. Who did you sell them to? Who did you give them to? Where are they? Who? Tell me. You are a publisher. We thought that you could speak for us. We ran to you. Omoyele Sowore, bring out those clips. These children still cannot go to school because the government does not even know that they are dying in the corners in Ikeja.
Okay, my brothers and sisters, hope you see the video what you do. I believe so you don't first see him. I believe so you don't first see him. I believe so you don't first see him. But because all of us know the reason the same, because all of us did different, that make me want to give my own opinion. Waiting I see for this video where this my sister make. Everybody don't first see. I don't feel just put all of them 9 minutes plus. It's too long because what is she they talk now to pull person down? Not to pull Mr. Sowore down. She talk about like she give Mr. Sowore a report, make he do. This is 4 years ago, and with all these years we don't pass, with all these many years we don't pass. This my sister don't think I'm say since this man not run her or this guy not run her, say now bias as she call him, say now they select news where they pick. Why is she not gonna give another report? Me not see that report. I don't know whether you see him. I don't see him. Who say she report them, say that they rape girls, that they do this, that they do that, that they do this. And it pay me to see some people because of hate where all of us don't get inside us, because of say we just hate people for no reason, because we just see say this, we think say this person a fraudster, because we think say this person he too young, because we think say how this one want to work. We they quick they condemn people without even putting that talk into consideration, without even thinking about it. Like wetin this woman dey talk or wetin this girl dey talk, e really make sense? Why e be say of all the news wey dey for Nigeria, of all the medias wey dey for Nigeria, of all the journalists wey dey for Nigeria, na Sowore wey headquarter no dey for Nigeria, e say e wan give this report? My question na, why e be say since 4 years Sarah reporter has e don dey publish many things, why she not speak out? Why she not talk about it? Why e come be say na 3 weeks to election na she come know say e get wetin Sowore do am since 4 years ago? E dey pain me say some people dey call the name of God without even knowing who be this God, without even knowing the meaning, wetin e represent, wetin they call who that is. They don't just know, they just like, oh, God will do this, God will do that, God will do this. You call, according to this my ladies, please, my brothers and sisters, please do see from my own point of view. This thing, they make me dey emotional, they make me dey angry, they make me like just they go gaga. When I see comments where people they put for this woman video, say yeah, not true, na so they do this. When we see what we not fit do, somebody they do, more applaud them, more give them encourage, more encourage them to do more encourage them. So this woman, I don't believe say she not God. I don't know the kind of God what she they call make it punish Mr. Sowore. I don't know the kind of God what should they speak Yoruba, they say make it punish Sowore. I be the least person where would they tribalismo. I don't think they speak on tribalistic. Please pardon me because of all these wicked politicians. It not make me go school. So anyhow I take speak I believe say my brothers and sisters around the world, all over the world, we they understand English, we they understand pidgin English. Pidgin English now supposed to be our general language. I believe so people will understand me. Please, if you not still they understand me, pardon me. Our politicians play big role. Why not they speak all this swing. So now because of those ones, now they make me like use my voice, still like pour my anger out, pour like even it can be when you see people where they privileged to go school, people where God bless to we get this opportunity to take go school. You dey in midst of them, you hear that they speak grammar, you don't understand what they talk, oh, you don't understand what they talk, but to reply na problem. So it hurts, it pains. Now they make me like bring out my anger whenever, now they make me show my anger whenever I see these politicians or people where they back these politicians, where make my own life be like this, where make me know they sabi speak English, where make me know they like one represent as I be one represent. It they make me the verse, and it they make me the verse when some people they use the name of God in vain. This woman, this very woman will tell me she's a Christian because this her left eye be like Christian eye. Please, this one not be laughing matter. This one are truth. You know, sometimes when person they talk true, some people they feel say na joke, some people they feel say this girl too funny. Not be funny matter. We should like think about it. God get, I don't know if you understand the kind of God where some people they serve, where she go they pray, say our own God. I don't know the kind of God where she they serve. Our own God no will let Mr. Sowore govern Nigeria. And I say amen to that because he's not going for governorship. I say amen to that. He want president Nigeria, he want rule Nigeria, he want represent us. Say in calling for rescue. Why you go call citizen where still they struggle like you for rescue? That's your God where you say make him punish Mr. Sowore, my madam, my beautiful sister. That's God where you say me punish Mr. Sowore because he not run what you give him. That if not true, say he not run now. Why that God not punish politician where not make me go school? Why that's your God where to just the fear, where just that is he dey hear your prayer like say tomorrow not day. Where in day when my politicians make my mother no dey sleep. 5 o'clock my mother don't wake up, go slaughter, go carry meat just for me to eat and my siblings to eat. She don't carry debts. Where this God dey? This God wey just dey call now. My sister, you know they call the good God. Anybody wey dey call God make e punish another woman pikin because she dey save her head or in dey save her head, make another woman pikin come out come put her head put. See that person, you people should be careful of that kind of person. Man, not gonna cut my tongue. Make una dey careful of this kind of people. This woman, they said they rape these people, they rape these people, but you come out now. Social media, post something, people will help you share and you will go viral. It will go viral, especially when it be saga. When it be message where they educate people, they know they share those kind of things. They will keep on to themselves, so greedy, keep on to themselves. You see those saga, where go be say, hey, bae, hey, bo, hey, bo. Believe me, you do saga video, you go see say before 2 hours, it don't get like 10,000 views. We like negative energy. We dey connect with negative energy. So why it be say you not come bring that your negative energy where you just get the proof? Where this woman get this proof? Now wetin I want me my brothers and sisters see. My brothers and sisters when they write for under of our video say na the fact talk am na true, is a fraud, is a this, is a that. Make you think say if this woman get the proof, why he no put am for social media? Why he be say that's not show your face? Why she not show the world since you want make Sarah report and say some government are wrong, and this same government where you say they corrupt, now then you they support. I for don't talk about this thing. I not go talk about them because I want proof. I want make if I dey talk something, I go they put the proof follow on. This lady or this girl, I don't know how to call her. I don't know what I want to call her with respect to you, my sister. I'm angry because you sabi speak English, now me no sabi speak. I'm angry because you get opportunity to like they follow politicians, they waka. Me, I'm here. No fit speak English. I no fit. Maybe you get opportunity. You get opportunity to take go America, you can't start to speak English. Or you get opportunity to take sponsor you go America, take go speak English. My sister, me, no get that opportunity. I believe say 1,001 people like me not get the opportunity where you get. So my sister, stop pulling people down because you want your PDP member to win. I just find out say she na PDP confirmed member. Because you dey promote person because you want me somebody win, you don't pull your brother down. Now so they rape girls. Now so those head of those children go ask Mr. Showore, why those head of those children, my head not ask those politicians wey make our country be like that. You dey call name of God, you dey say make God punish somebody for waiting you dey lie put, you know deep down in your heart that you are lying, and you dey tell the world say make he can never become the president. Who the hell are you? Who you be? Even if you say na you dey carry portfolio follow Jesus Christ, you no fit talk say you've said it that he will not get there. You no fit talk am. Since 4 years you never forgive somebody. No, he not there any position. He not there any position. Because in the report, you know how many reporting they get, and he even puts he screenshots the chat on a chat for a Facebook page. Make people go there, go look am. Make people go see as people just like to they bring person down. What thing happened to other media house? Why it be say 3 weeks or a month to the election, now you come know say person do you something 4 years ago, say those children head go ask another woman picking. Why women like to they break women code? Why it be say now women that they put for front to give women bad name? Why my brothers and sisters, why are we like these women? It breaks my heart to see some women doing some stuff. It dey pain me when I see some women we carry picking for 9 months. If you never carry, you get on for mind, say tomorrow you will carry. You dey pull another woman picking down just because of tachere, just because of money where you go eat, where your picking not will even know. Like, why we not just look things and just pass and do the best we can do without pulling other people down? Why, my sister? Why you go dey rain curses on somebody when not being cause the problem, oh, not being rape those girls, oh, not being rape those girls. Other media world dey, other media whatever journalists dey. Why be say na Sowore you can't give? Why be say since 4 years you not bring this thing out? When the proof, at least you go duplicate them now before you give somebody. Before you give somebody something to run, at least you go copy am, you get the original. Why you not post them out? Let's assume say you dey fear that time, say, oh, you know what, make people know say na you na record and na you na give Sahara Reporter. Now you don't bring your face come and say na you do am. So why you don't give us that video? Why you not make us see on that video? Why are you asking Sowore to bring it out? Why do we like pulling ourselves down, my Africa, my Nigerian brothers and sisters? Why now? Why? Wetin come make me come dey vex when I say I see this lady, they promote PDP. Promote anybody who you want promote. Support anybody who you want support. I said it in my last video when I did Mr. Sowore video, make people support her. I said it, support anybody you want to support without bringing another person picking down, without saying false things about them. My sister, if you let me speak, if you let me cut my tongue, I no go like her. For real, I no go like her. Like, what do you want gain? If you want publicity, if you want to make you popular, go in a positive way. Go in a positive way. In my dialect, they say, I cannot use same way. Why do you just want make people just rush follow you with this character where you just possess to the world? So now negative people will follow you, because I went through your platform. I see how many people they follow you. It's just 1,000 plus. You want many people they follow you, and people who won't follow you with this your attitude for you to bring another woman that will be negative, will be the negative energy, and you will regret it in future. You will regret them for future because you did break women code. Are you not sick and tired of seeing all these politicians coming back and coming back and coming back? I know they talk say Mr. Sowore are the best. I know they talk say na him come good pass, or if he reach there, they not go corrupt him. I just like him because he get the zeal. Look when in the debates. Look in debates. Look when the person where they give them the question, they want or struck them when he come like turn Iraq war. That is, it they represents. If they talk wetin he want do. When you see saying they talk, you feel the passion from his voice. Then you know say you want really do something. You will know say you want really do something. When they do debate, presidential debate, they didn't invite him. They don't invite him. You just sit down because you just hate him, because maybe one or two things not for you, or I don't know, I'm just saying my own from my own perspective. I just dey talk my own, because any sensible human being no go do wetin you do so. No go do wetin you do so. Why you want make people say you just do it because you love your citizens? You don't love them, because if you love them, you know, you go, even if say you do that thing, you go forgive them. 4 years ago, you want to tell me say since 4 years ago you never offend somebody? You want to tell me say since 4 years ago, my sister, you never pull life for person head? You never bear false witness? You never do something where somebody just they react put now since 4 years ago, and you they go church, you enter new year with, oh God, please let me have good things. You carry something off 4 years ago. One just can't pull somebody down, another woman picking. Why we get these wicked hearts? Why we get these devilish hearts? Why? Please, my brothers and sisters, not listening to this video, no think not just feel say na true, because I see no reason. I don't see any reason why she make this video. It not make sense. It not make sense. Not be only Sahara Reporter be the report, not being be the journalist who are there for the world. EBS dey there, ITV dey there, NTA dey there. Whether na channel or big channel, I don't know. He dey there. Why you not carry the evidence go? Why you not call them, make the carry on? Since Sowore not carry on since 4 years ago, you kept it inside you. How your own God not go to punish you? How your own God not go to punish you? Do not just tell me. He not be president, he not be governor, he not be anything, and you they rain curse on top of somebody picking like that just because you say nobody know. You not bring out the proof, because you say you give am something to run. You dey forbid to run that by yourself. Social media is free. It's free. Just go buy just go subscribe, just go get what do they call am, airtime of 2,000 naira go reach you. Take post wetin you wan post for her, make we see am. Like my brothers and sisters, I beg you, not listening to this thing. If you want vote for anybody, vote for am with good conscience. Not vote for am because somebody dey try pull am down. The question you should ask, where this woman dey since when Mr. Sowore dey talk say he wan be campaign, before he say he wan be president? Where this woman dey before he even give he party name? Where she dey? She blind? She deaf? She deaf? I beg you, my brothers and sisters, I beg you, stop pulling your own self down. Stop pulling your brothers and your sisters down. Because when you put somebody down to arrive, it's not possible. It can never happen. And stop using the name of the Lord in vain. Those kind God one and they serve, I don't know where from come, because the kind God wey me know can never bring somebody's down in this manner. Instead, now you now go bring down for trying to bring somebody down. If that God, where that woman they call, they say no, if not that kind God, if he really punish Mr. Sowore, believe me, you, that one not be good God. Because the same God say forgive for something of 4 years ago. Me and you don't know whether he really give am. This video where this woman do make me love Mr. Sowore the more. Make me like see say yes, politicians really they fear this man. I really don't know why they are scared of him. I really don't know. Vote for anybody who you want to vote for. I beg you, without bringing anybody down. Because he's young, not me say go fit carry Nigeria forward. Because he's young, not me say they not go fit corrupt him. But because I see the passion wey he gets, say he want to rule this country. I see him for his voice. I dey hear him for his voice. I dey see when they not invite him go debate in the verse. People who they say make they come elect. I dey hear many people for many platforms they talk say, all these people where they contest. So which one not be thief? Which one good? Which one not be this? Which one not be that? See, my brothers and sisters, you know if you just they condemn everybody when you know say you know if you do that thing. This one corrupt, that one corrupt, that one bad, that one bad. Who want rule Nigeria? Nigeria go fit rule itself? No. We need to give people try. We need to try people. We need to give people the benefit of the doubt of the doubt. I'll cut my tongue now. We need to give people benefit of the doubt to do something. It got this lady. I love this lady when they go for so I love everybody when they contest for this presidency. Everybody get choice. My choice not be your choice. I not say because say I love this person, I can't put the other person down. You get one lady, this beautiful and courageous lady. I love her because now she lead the movement of bring back our girls. When this woman they talk, you know, say wow, women are, hey, I don't see reason why they fear women. I not say I want vote for her because she be woman. I don't already see him for Mr. Sowore. Say that one a person when me want vote for. No matter what anybody talk about him, everybody is bound to make mistake. Everybody. Nobody for this world not get past. Nobody for this life not get past. Nobody for this life not they made mistake. So if you the judge person by the mistake or things when he do 50-40 years ago, believe me, somebody will judge you before God will come and judge you. You know if you judge person by then say this one say that one say. Before I forget, this my beautiful lady, I love her, the way she did talk, see her debate, she was like really courageous, she was like bold. She give me like say yes, women can be, oh God, I was like my spirit just gonna drink milk. You're gonna lick Mikos. You know that Mikos Diana? You're gonna lick Mikos like. Thank God say somebody come out, but the truth is that Nigeria is not yet ready for a female president. Nigeria is not yet ready. They never ready. Nigeria never see woman as something. So we should make women understand first. Say, see, know yourself, know your value, know your worth. Instead of us to throw away these votes, we will give them to Mr. Sowore. I love her. I love her with everything I got inside. If to say Nigerians, say we Nigerians don't know the importance of women, no say women can move mountain, no say woman na the same thing as man, na men word to the talk say woman are inferior. When we start to see ourselves as equal, this word gender not dey, I for vote and campaign for this woman. But for the fact Nigeria is not ready, no need for us to waste our votes. With all due respect to my beautiful lady, I love her with passion, but the truth still remains, Nigeria is not ready for a female president. Nigeria is not ready. So my brothers and sisters, make we abeg, make we vote for Mr. Sowore, make we let Mr. Sowore carry up this Nigeria with the zeal wey he get. No not kill this zeal, no not kill this passion, no not kill am. Make we abeg. I don't know why the politicians dey fear am. I don't know why people not just like am. People they say everybody corrupt, everybody corrupt, everybody corrupt. You no want be president, you no want, but you they see fault wey dey everybody body. You they see say no, this one are this one are that, this one report lie, this one get who they report, this one get who they steal, this one get who they do. Nobody no get error. When you go library and books wey dey there, you no get one wey you like, no say na you go write the book wey you like. So for the fact you know they come out, you know they show yourself because of one of two reasons, you don't want to show yourself, let people be. No they pick out one thing where you hear, not say you see how you don't get proof for am, you just hear say this one say, then you just carry. No they talk am again, because Nigeria cannot rule itself. Nigeria not feel rule Nigeria. Now somebody will rule Nigeria. Now somebody will trust with that power. Now somebody will trust, say represent us everywhere. People they say make Daddy Atiku, actually for you daddy, make my daddy Atiku carry presidency. Now he get the experience, he's a worker, he's a this. Does that really make him qualify? I don't believe so. Since when this my papa don't take they into politics, they never born me. Oh, I don't believe say my papa and my mama don't even they toast each other. Since when this man starts, it don't help many people, but it not reach my community. It not reach where me for grow, because we not be first, we not be third class, we be 10th class, if not 20 class. That is where poverty they reach. Now me for grow. So he money not reach where we dey. He not reach am. I don't say you cannot help everybody, but at least man will still dey hear your name. I don't reach abroad before I come dey hear, say see things where you do, na so you get money, see as you don't fit be oye manager, NPC like that. I don't reach abroad before I don't hear. I never see Nigeria presidential debates. It go shock everybody. You know who they talk true, na be liar. I never see, I never watch. When I want for see like I want to watch for Nigeria, who want tell me? When I dey look for where I want for go hawk rice, when I dey look for where I want for go sell plantain, when I dey look for where I want go sell cola, now I want get time to dey watch news. I pray oh, couple with the fact English where they speak I know they hear. So what you gonna consign me? What you gonna consign me? So when I watch this one where presidential do, I just they use this opportunity, just they talk everything together, because if I see my call they talk on one, maybe I will can't talk what I'm not supposed to talk. I can't like overmatch my boundary. I just hope you understand and see from my own point of view and feel my pain. You where they say this girl not sabi speak English, feel my pains. Reason and say as you they say I not sabi speak English. No, so now these people where to get money na cause oh. Na cause for real. Now they cause because they think for their belly, their generation. Now they think for. They never born me when this my daddy Mr. Atiku start to the chop money, start to the day politics, start to the get your own share, your own oil company. Start to the get some. Like make we abeg, make we vote wisely, make we vote. Say we really want change. This my daddy Mr. Atiku, he go presidential debates because the president not go there, because president not there. He He go back. He said they call am presidential debate. Say president not there. Now make am go back. Make I put am, make no come be like say I just dey vibrate or I dey vex for nothing. Make I put am, make you see.
Your Excellency, you are walking out of the debate. Don't push. When the debate is about going on, can you give us your reason?
I am walking out because I expected to come and debate the president. The president has been in office for 3.5 years to 4 years now. And he is not here to defend his record. And so who am I going to debate with?
Your Excellency, there is still enough time.
Well, I mean, if he is on his way, I will come back. And then we debate. In any case, I will have the opportunity to address Nigerians because there are other interviews nationally, planned. So I will have the opportunity.
This is the reason why you come back from the US.
That is exactly. I came back for this debate, and unfortunately, the president is not here to defend his record.
I think to be clear, we had always made it clear to the organizers that our candidate is here to debate Mr. President. When we were told in Washington that you'll be here, we cut our trip short to come here. He's not here. Our candidates are available at any time to debate the president, any time at a short notice. We're ready to do that, and we're showing that commitment here. Thank you, gentlemen.
You see, my brothers and sisters, debate wey dem wan do for presidential, I sit down dey wait make I see all of them. Now for you to present your case to the public, in fact everywhere for the world, everybody for the world dey watch. E no get one place wey no watch that debate. We wan see am. Nigerians we scatter for all over the place. E no get one continent wey you say you no see Nigerian person there. Everybody is watching. And this my daddy Mr. Atiku say because Mr. Buhari not there, nobody there we want debate with. We don't need God. We need somebody we want come out us from this rubbish we dey so. We don't tire to exile. You need to present your case to the Nigerians, not be one person, because majority win the votes. Now Nigerians you want represent, not be only Buhari. If you win, I just dey use this opportunity to talk to my brothers and sisters where they say more vote for Mr. Abubakar, more vote for Daddy Abubakar. I don't hate him, believe me you. Why I go hate him? If I hate him, I hate myself. Why I go hate him? I don't hate him. If I hate him, I hate better thing because he get money reach teeth. I don't hate him. But the fact that he don't get money, make him be the whistleblower. He know every secret where they for politics. He know where they bury the cops put. He know where they bury all the secret put. Make him be the whistleblower. Make him support young youth. If you really want change for Nigeria, not be saying don't get everything. He won't come rule Nigeria again. Person where get money, where don't get money, I don't believe say he won't come help the poor. He won't come get joiner because nobody want make come for money. He won't put joiner for real because he be business. Man, not me say go fit produce business for all Nigerians. Now so they take put Donald Trump for presidency now. He's a businessman. He can move America forward. He can do this for America. He can do this for America. Nah. They say now Donald Trump now can corrupt pass for the whole president where they don't get for Nigeria for America history. Donald Trump they say is the most corrupt president ever. Because now businessman, you want to do business and you know if you do business if you the wrong country. Now everybody will believe even people will support him. Even people will support him, put them for suspension. They know they get their paycheck. Because he say he want build the wall. When you talk say Mexico will pay put. When they do a campaign, we are going to build the wall. Who is going to pay for it? Mexico! Nah. Mexico say you know they pay for any according to the award according to the former president of Mexico, he said we are not going to pay for any fucking war. But Americans refuse to understand. Say not because you be businessman, make you be good politician, or make you get people, the poor masses at heart. Excuse me. It not make you get some. No, like he hold all of them, put Nigeria. Sorry, Nigerians. I love my country. He puts Americans for hostage. They don't receive paycheck. They go for what did they call me? May I not break my tongue? May I not cut my tongue? Government shuts down. Now it's 33 days. Almost more than a month where they don't take day strike because it won't build wall, make immigrants not they enter from Mexico. And Inter promise they say that Mexico won't pay put. Mexico say no they pay put now. In own country hostage. I know they talk say Mr. Atiku na so it won't be. I just they tell you say because person a businessman don't may say you go fit run the business. You can't run country like the way you tell they run your business. You know fits. We need somebody who really dey vibrant because Sowore young and not being make me say more vote for him because all of them, even our president, Mr. Buhari, he young now. When he start to dey inside politics, I'm not sure say my papa and my mama don't even start to the dates. Maybe they hire each other that time. When still dey rule us now, me I don't born. Remain small my pikin will come still born. He still wants to rule us again. Like, make we wake up now. Make we wake up. Make we just see people for who they are. I beg you, my brothers and sisters. For this, my sister, I beg you, stop using the name of the Lord in vain. Because I don't know the kind of God where you decide. That is why when people they say, oh, make their God bless me. I know they say amen because I don't know the kind of God where you serve. They say my own God will bless me because I know my heart. I know I have a good heart. I know I see good things and say it, and that's God of good things. Now me they serve, so I don't say amen to your own God because I don't know the kind of God you're serving. I don't know the kind of God where you serve, the kind of God where you want make it pull another woman down because of what happened 4 years ago. Now they start to rape children for girls for Nigeria. With all due respect to all my ladies, I dare engage, not twist this my word. Not to say whether not today they rape girls say I support raping. No, that one thing they try to talk we say since ages. In fact, since my great grandmama time they don't rape girls, but the report don't they come. They don't they see, and you will see that kind of thing as a woman. You they wait 4 years, person not publish and you not go give another media word. You by yourself not post them, make the world see what they go on. You say you put your hope on Mr. Sowore. In a God. Mr. Sowore, is he a God? Not be as you they fear your life, not being so in this fear your life, not be as woman born, you know so woman born Mr. Sowore. So what are we not getting here, my brothers and sisters? Make we are beg. Make we are beg. I beg you in the name of God. Campaign for somebody that you want to campaign for without bringing other people down. My brothers and sisters, I beg you to see from my point of view. I beg you to summon this good heart in you, this good side in you. All of us get some. More someone to say enough is enough. Mr. Atiku, my daddy, the supporters, with respect to you all, make una still reason. Somebody wey talk say we no reach as Nigerians, we want come present the case wetin make am say want rule us. He say we no reach because one person no come, one person wey you know say e no dey do well. Our president na Mr. Buhari, he said because he no dey go stage because he no get people he want debate with. Mona still reason and say he know they come to come fix our life. They come to come fix Nigeria. Because if he dey pump us like this, he don't get money. If he say he don't get the money, if he say he don't dey, like seriously, I am tired. That the article, I don't tire. You know how many years I did so? Since when I did my mama belly, I start to suffer. I'm tired of suffering. I'm tired of seeing the next generation suffering. I go primary school, I sit down for ground, my teacher give me mail on my break. I don't want to see the next generation like that. I don't want to see it. We dey look for somebody wey wan represent us. He say people no dey there. We want debate with, say they call am presidential debate. Presidential debate na person wey wan rule Nigeria. No be say because presidential debate say na president you wan come debate with. You need to come prove to us say yes, we really what you want represent. We really what, and you really dey feel our pain. You went back. That is, you spit for our face. People wey dey speak English say you spite on our face. Please, my PDP supporters, please, my APC supporters, wanna see reasons with me. Wanna just feel my pain. Say I don't tire to suffer. Oh, hey, if una know the kind of suffer when I suffer, my Nigerian brothers and sisters. If una know, oh God, una know say, I'm not sure say many people wey they want vote for all these people, they suffer the kind of suffer when I suffer. Please, I beg you in the name of God. I beg you. I beg. Mr. Showore, they complain. Say they don't let them come present in case. Why some people did there? They feel say they're too big to come show their case, to come present their case to Nigerians. Like, make we say, make we just see, say, enough. Make we just see our neighbor and say enough. Make we just say enough of one big pass our neighbor. Because we they follow all this PDP, APC with respect to each and every one of you. Now, because the money what they gain now because what they give us now we forget say money what they give us now picking with there for 3 or 5 years now. No go come meet that money again. You need to work again before they will meet the one you put for ground. So make we are beg. Make we are beg. I know some people still they work for Mr. Showore, they not get bad mind though. I not to say they look for their pocket though. But make we think, say this activist, this Mr. Showore, go fit represent us. I believe. Before I made video, I said no, make my people for Nigeria, make they not take bag of rice, make they not let people bribe them. I beg more not take. I don't change my word. Now me talk on before, now me they talk on again. So I can change my word, no problem. No problem. Person if he made mistake and come back to his senses. Not me say I made mistake. Bribing na bad thing, to bribe people na bad thing, but as Nigeria just be so. You not get one person where they go give bag of rice where no go carry. Me not get food I want give my pikin. I not get custard or beans where my pikin want eat sleep. Somebody just give me bag of rice, we say we not go carry. More tell ourselves the truth, I too carry. You where they look me so you will carry. So I beg you, carry but get sense. Person we come bribe you with bag of rice. No say that bag of rice now you want pay put for 4 good years. And we were there for Western world. I beg una in the name of God. I beg una in the name of anything una believe. Make we beg, make we send like 50 or 100 euro go house. Especially we will grow for passengers. Families too many for passengers. Even if you not the passengers go the area where you for grow, people still in that house. Give the family a week to election. Tell them who they want vote for. Give them the money, because if we say they not collect, now lie they go collect. Give them the money a week. Buy them rice, bag of rice, buy them gari, buy them anything, buy them. Believe me, you now that one I go to shout them, because now that one I just did their hand now. Because na pardon my language, ekia no ma boak moment, ekia na degak moment. Not be lie. Now what you they see, now you they tank as it just fresh. Now that one go dead their memory. They don't forget the one they don't eat. If it dey a week to give the family 5k, give the family 10k, 15k, 20k. Believe me, you they go vote Mr. Showore. Vote Mr. Showore. This one not be bribing. More forget all those story. Not they work again. Don't bribe. As long as it not be Mr. Showore by himself. Bring money, come out. Bring money, come out. Say make the take go vote for. Make the take vote for him. Me and you where they abroad, we don't feel votes. My brothers and sisters, more send money go house. 20 euro. If you put them change them for Nigeria, put them for somebody account. Even 5 euro. That they sell recharge card for Europe. Put recharge card for their phone. Person will never recharge phone since 3 months. You put 10 euro for your phone. 10 euro for Nigerian money is 2,000 plus. You see 2,000 bank account for your account. Believe me, you go carry and go where for the sell recharge card. You go sell them. They will give them money. Go and take cook. Or send money go. a week to they go vote for who you want me you vote for, so that me and you go free. Without we not doing like this, they go still they put their stress on us. They go still they stay with bad because they don't know how we take they live for here. They don't know say we still they suffer. Not go give your family money. They go read minute to them, but they don't know how they be pass. So if we don't tire because we know the fact say we not fit vote now, make we beg 3 weeks time na election. Make we not the same people not carry bag of rice again, because we dey see them for social media as they carry bag of rice for head. See them now, see them PDP, APC them. They do bag of rice. My question to this my brothers and sisters, where they believe these people before this election, they don't know say suffer fair day that country. Why they not give you bag of rice? Why they not give you yam? Why not come here come judge you now? Mona just carry, Mona they carry and well, but Mona vote for Mr. Showore. Make una vote for and use God beg una, because we want change, we want it now, right now. Like right now, I beg una, make we beg. Make we say enough of the hate. Make we say enough of the pulling each other down. Make we beg. This my beautiful lady, I believe say that money they give her. You know, money we never see before. If it they shock you now, so it be. I remember that time. For my life, I'm talking about maybe 18 or 17 years ago. 18 or 17, no. I talk about like 19, 18 years ago. Now they talk about now. Somebody dash, I see money where I never see for my life before. Just imagine me we grow for passengers now. Imagine me we be 10, in fact 20 class citizen for the country. Person just give me 12K. Hey, I don't be Barack Obama that time. That is, I not expect that. The money can't they make me crazy. The money can't they make me do what I don't want supposed to do. I can't they mad. I can't they mad, only me. When me and my girlfriend reach outside, they pray my girlfriend quick, mommy no come turn which can collect my money. I go wake up for night, I go carry the money, I go put them under bed. Only me go still wake up, say no. A thief go follow window, come collect this money. I go still wake up, collect the money for under bed, go put it on top of a wardrobe. Only me 5 minutes time, oh, I don't craze for room. You get some money where you go see, where go they control you. You not let money control us, more control money. So my sister, control money, not let money control you. If you dey look for publicity, not be like this, not be to put your own brother down, not be to put human being like you down, not be to break women code, not be to bring woman picking down, because tomorrow you will still give birth to somebody. Don't stop to they pull each other down. Money fine, they use some people because they not get brain. They feel say they get brain. Not let money use you. Use money. Use money, I beg you. Use money, I beg you. Know yourself. Vote for Mr. Showore. Send money, go house. Make the instantly tell them, say make they go vote for who you want. May represent us. Believe me, you if that money come from abroad, they respect people where they are abroad there. Because we sabi lie to them. Tell them, say, if they vote, say we they see them for abroad, their name, everything, we they see them for screen. Say they vote. So if they don't vote, we will see them for here. Believe me, they will vote for you. You want me, they vote for. I beg you. We wait, they say Showore. Yes, Showore will go there and he must fight for us. He must fight for us. If he not fight for us, I believe say go they leak who he not want make who he know who they bring and then go leak come and all of us go see and we'll begin fire them. Change must come. You be the change you want. Let me be the change I want. You be the change you want. Let your sister be the change she wants. I beg you in the name of anything you believe, my brothers and sisters. I'm sick, I'm tired of seeing people just suffering. I'm sick, I'm tired. Do you know, say, Nigeria poor pass now. For record, Nigeria poor pass Indian population. Many pass Nigeria on. And we pass them for poverty and we say we'll be giant of Africa and we see the campaign for people who make us be like this in the first place. We'll try another thing. I know they say Mr. Showore just said they're not corrupt him, but when we put on for prayer, we will get good hearts. Say make it not be like that. I believe say in go like blow whistle where they not let them do things. In not go fear. Boof. Nobody not get secrets. Nobody not get error. Nobody not get something for body. Nobody not get past. You way they want bring them down. Now person still there where they look your nyash. You bend down they look person nyash. Person bend down they look your own. So make we beg. Make we beg. We not use what it person fair they do take crucify am. We not use what it person don't fair do take like kill and die. I beg you, my brothers and sisters, may we give ourselves hand, may we lift ourselves up, make we tell these wicked politicians to leave us in peace, say we don't tire. If one politician say you not rich, when you can explain to wetin you want do for your country, no say he not deserve to rule us. With all due respect to everybody, I hope you understand. I hope you take this message with peace. I hope you know I come with peace. I hope you just like see me as your sister, see me as somebody where you know what to be suffered, the full definition of suffering. See me like that and just see from my own point of view. So make we beg, make we not be say Mr. Oshowore too young, you know if you do anything. When you not try something, you know will know. When you not try something, you know will know, my brothers and sisters. If for example now say as this cup just be now, my mind they tell me say break and, or my mind they tell me say dash somebody, I know dash person, then that they come pass. I don't know what if will happen if I break them. I don't know what if will happen if I dash somebody. So now so it be more try something new. Other people they very, very bonsha, they gallant, they but I beg you, my brothers and sisters, this one not be time to like they want on the throw away our votes. We wait, they support these women. I love you, I support you. I want women's voice to be heard. I want make all this rape, make it stop, all this maltreatment of women, make it stop, all this they don't see women as anything, make it stop. But believe me, Nigeria is not ready. Excuse me, Nigeria is not yet ready to see woman the rule. We never ready to like accept woman as human being. So make we not throw away that our votes. Make we not go through win, because me and you know say they not go win. Nigerians say woman can they rule them. Country where the men believe say men, women na slaves. Make we forget. Make we not go throw away our votes. I like them as they come out. It will give another women zeal. It will give another women power to take like contest tomorrow. People always they say Mr. Oshowore not go win, cabans today, cabans to this. Now me and you give those cabans level. Now me and you united those cabans made they still there. Just see this video of 2013. What did this man talk? In talk say we allow them to steal, neither they steal. If they don't still finish, say we not talk, we don't know ourselves. Another people come still, other people still enter, still steal us again. Make I leave and make you say them.
You're thinking about us, the leaders. Yes, you said yes. Yes. What about you? If you see a thief and you allow him to be stealing, what do? You have stolen nobody. That's why we are stealing. Who have you stolen? It's good to steal if you can't fight back. The oil subsidy, we told you they stole 2.3 trillion. What did you do? You have heard about $50 billion. Nobody is talking. You are debating whether can he talk to the president like that. In some countries, people will be on the street until they return that money. You read the passage just later. Just asking, is he a South man? Is he a Yoruba man? Why is he writing like that? In fact, when he was there, what did he do? What have you done? If you don't take your destiny in your hands, we will go and other leaders will come. They will continue to steal.
So my brothers and sisters, my lovely African Nigeria people, my wonderful Nigerians, my beloved Nigerians, this one and the truth. When we know they speak up or we just believe say money they shack us, money they use us, this is how we will still live. This is how we will still continue to live this silly life we they live. So we'll continue to the exile. We'll continue until the kingdom come. Make we beg. We need free education. What it provoke this my sister now because say Mr. Oshowore say want to take many children go school. I don't know how many million. He said now that one I provoke and say not give reports. Other media world not there. Other media house not there. So make we beg, my brothers and sisters. Make we beg. Make we cast our vote for Mr. Oshowore. Make we beg. Make we change things by ourselves. Even if Mr. Oshowore not win today, I believe say he go boosting many people up. Other people still the young aspirants. I love Mr. Oshowore and I make me they use the name way. I love him. I don't love him the other way, in the other way like maybe say as people they think I know. I love him as a brother. I love him from the bottom of my heart. I love him because I'm an activist. I love him because he represents me. Even though he don't know me, he they speak for my rights. So that make me love him. I love him because he boosted me up to know the truth. He boosted me up to like speak up for myself. He boosted me up to make me know say my voice now my power. So I beg you, my brothers and sisters, This kind of people now we suppose they give the benefit of doubt. This kind of people now suppose like they back up where I beg you. People will call us people now suppose call people. Even if he not win, I pray he wins. Believe me, you other people will come out. For America, people they say Hillary not win, man. I love Hillary from the bottom of my heart. Nah. 4 or 5 ladies neither come out saying they want contest for presidency. That's they don't break the seal, don't break the record. In facts, now he use the word women rights. Women rights are human rights. Human rights are women's rights. You understand? So he don't break another silly. 5 or 4 other women don't come out for this 2020 election where they want to do. So I believe say Mr. Osowore our key opener, our eye opener. Other people will come out to challenge Nigerian politicians. See, all of them they fear them. Nobody wants debate them because they know say all the facts they in hand. So make we give them the benefit of the doubt and just support him. My sister, stop pulling your own brother down. Not be say because na Yoruba like you, no. Because na African person like you. Because na woman born, because he get good intention for humanity. So you even talking by yourself say if they expose politicians, if they do this, if they do that. So how come 3 weeks to election and now you know say you want pull and down? My sister, if you want better life for yourself, if you want God to bless you, if you want the good God to bless you, because I don't know the kind of God you're calling to punish him. I don't know that kind of God that doesn't forgive. They cut children head, make it kill another woman picking. Not being the governor, not being the president of that country, not being evil rape, not being evil rape the children. You make me love him the more. You make me know say the kind God where you deserve, not the answer prayer. Because if your God the answer prayer, where in day where they rape those guests? If your God the answer prayer, where in day where all this darkness were everywhere? See when Mr. Osowore they go Nigeria now. See darkness everywhere for Nigeria. Where that your God? Then I saw that your God like darkness. So my sister, wake up and stop being childish. Wake up and stop being wicked to yourself. Because anything we sow, we shall reap. Love you in the name of love. Till I come your way next time. Subscribe if you've not subscribed. Follow me up on my Facebook page. Follow me up on my Facebook page. Share my video. Share. If you like them, share. If you not like them, share. But election is 3 weeks time. I beg you, my brothers and sisters, if you see this video, 1 second, don't you press share. Just share them so that other people might see from my point of view. You feel not like, and believe me, you somebody somewhere where you will share them for, where they your list. 1 person at least will see reason with me. I love you till I come your way next time. If you've not subscribed, subscribe to watch more of my video. Thank you for encouraging me. Thank you for asking me questions. Thank you for believing in my opinion. Thank you for patronizing me. Thank you. I love you guys in the name of love. I love you in the name of whatever you believe. Till I come your way next time.